Here's something no high-ticket buyer has ever said: I don't trust you, but take my money. Selling high-ticket products or services with almost non-existent trust is a mission impossible. Building trust has become more important than ever, especially now when there are so many fake gurus making crazy claims and promises. Most of your potential clients have already bought services, courses, or coaching and burned themselves with unfulfilled promises. The buyers have become more skeptical than ever. But what are you doing to overcome this skepticism? There's only one way to win client trust, and I learned it the hard way. The best way to build trust is by positioning yourself as an expert, and that's what the authority funnel stands for. Let me tell you this right away. Authority funnel is nothing revolutionary, so please don't expect anything crazy. The marketing system is based on the oldest marketing psychology principles in the world, which have been successful for hundreds of years. So I am not claiming to be some genius who came up with this newest trend. My team and I simply used the most fundamental marketing principles, and over time we found a winning mix of mechanisms, and all we did was put together these mechanisms in a system. Now, I want to tell you exactly how the authority funnel works so you can replicate it inside of your business to attract high-ticket clients on autopilot. First things first, you don't need to produce millions of pieces of content or have a huge following or even have hundreds of testimonials to be seen as an expert and authority in your niche. Here's how you can be perceived as an expert without all of that. I would recommend writing this down because this is powerful. If you can explain your potential clients' problems better than they can, you will be automatically perceived as an authority and expert. Your business message has to be based on the principle of demonstrating your expertise instead of just yelling, "I'm the best, buy from me, buy, buy, buy." If you can provide solutions to your audience's problems and challenges, it will make them think that you know more than they do, aka make them think you are the expert without you having to say it. If we think of business like a house, this is the foundation that will determine how big of a business you can build. The stronger the foundation, the bigger the house. The foundation is more than just messaging and positioning. It includes having a clear and sexy offer. Offer is the second pillar of the authority funnel, and it is as important as the messaging. To build a successful authority funnel or any other marketing system, you have to have the perfect messaging combined with a sexy offer. Here's an expert tip I learned over the years. Your offer is not your product. The offer is the transformation. It's not the service, not the course, not the coaching. The offer is a clear transformation from where your audience is now and where they want to be. Simply answer these two questions and you will have an elite offer. Number one, where is your audience now? Starting point. Number two, what is the transformation that they want to achieve, aka the end point? And here's how an elite offer looks. And now let me give you my example. Starting point, coaches, consultants, or service-based businesses don't have enough high-ticket clients. They are relying on word of mouth, posting content, or cold outreach. Pillar number one, positioning. Pillar number two, elite offer. And I will share what are our three next pillars. And the end point, after working with us, you have a system that generates qualified sales calls for your high-ticket offer on autopilot. So that's all about the foundation of the business. And I hope it's starting to click in your mind on exactly what you need to do it and to be seen as an expert in your niche. This approach has helped us to scale our own coaching business to over 1 million per year with more than 20 team members. With this approach, we have been able to scale our own company to making over 7 figures a year in only 4 years. And with these systems that we help to build for our clients, we have more than 125 coaches that are making 6 or multi 6 figures a year with our help. And by the way, my name is Nick Jansons and my company is called NJ Media. And we are the leading advertising icons in Baltics. And that's why they put my face, yes, I had a cool goatee, on the Forbes Baltics 30 under 30 last year. And also we book 10 to 20 meetings with qualified prospects daily. And here you can see my sales team's calendar. This is how it looks basically every week. And now let's move to the third pillar of the authority funnel, and it is paid ads. And not just any ads, because you're like, oh, Nix, what are you talking about, those ads? But I mean, we need you to have value ads. Ads that educate and demonstrate your expertise. Running value ads will show your audience that you understand their pains and problems, and thus will position you as an expert. And on top of that, value ads will not only generate leads, but they will also grow your following without you having to post endless content. Once we have a clear and elite offer and we have created value ads, the next step is to turn those who are watching your ads into leads, sales calls, and then paying clients. And look, we've done this multiple times over and over. Just take a look at our clients like Bartos. He came to us making around 10, 15K a month, and within only 4 months, he was making 36,000 a month. We have a full 60-minute interview with him on YouTube, so you can watch this after you finish the video to hear his full story. We have plenty of video testimonials on the page below this video, so you can check them out after I explain to you the last 2 pillars of the authority funnel. And the pillar number 4 is the automated calendar filler. There are multiple different ways to turn ads into sales appointments. And we have 7 different strategies we have built out, which we implement, build, and teach for our clients. And one of our favorite is a simple 10 to 15 minute video, just like you're watching right now. A short and simple video that shows your expertise and explains your offer. This video is responsible for filling our sales calendars every single week. You can see that below this video, there's an application form, which many of our clients filled out by themselves and booked a meeting directly into our calendars. This is the automated calendar filler. And if you want to have something like this for your business, I want to invite you to fill the application below and book a call with my team today. Now, let me quickly recap the 4 pillars for you. First, authority messaging and positioning. Second, an elite offer. Third, value ads. 4, automated call booking mechanism. And the last pillar, number 5, we have to have an authority follow-up system that you will see after you're done watching this video. It's pretty cool, you'll like it. For example, we will retarget you with ads and send educational emails and videos. We will keep providing value to build a stronger relationship and trust with you over time. And we will do it by providing education that will help you overcome challenges in your business. So keep an eye out for our ads and for our emails because our value is coming your way. However, if you already feel that this is for you, then book a call with us by filling out the application below the video and talk to my team about how we could help you. One more thing before you leave, I want you to know this. We are more than an education company, and we are definitely not a marketing agency. We see ourselves as a non-equity partner in your business. We treat your business like our own. Our goal with this business is to help you achieve your business goals by any means necessary. So we will not only build your authority funnel and advertising campaigns for you, but we will also provide you with one-on-one mentoring, daily coaching calls, and step-by-step guidance on how to build systems predictably in your business regarding all sorts of departments like marketing, setting, closing, client success, operations, organic marketing. So everything you need to be successful and grow. We want to give you the skills and the systems and everything else that is necessary for you to build a solid team around you and scale your business. We don't want you to depend on us for a lifetime. We want to give you everything we have so you can keep growing your business without us in the future. Your success is our success, and we want you to succeed. The more our clients win, the more we win. So if you want to work with a team whose main goal is to see you succeed, then don't hesitate and fill out the application form below. Talk to you soon. Stay sharp. Ciao.
I work with NG Media more than 1 year, and they helped me to get more than 500 clients. I'm very happy with the results, and if you looking for a company who help make more and more clients, then I recommend it in G Media. Stay sharp.
Hello, my name is Rita Majore and I'm career coach and trainer. I want to share my experience working with NG Media. During the last 6 months, I have gained more than 40 new customers for my career launch program. This week I have even achieved my personal record. When having 6 meetings, I have gained 3 sales or 3 new customers for my program. I'm so proud of myself and so thankful for this experience. So if you want to achieve the same kind of and even brighter results, so join this collaboration and stay sharp.
Hi, my name is Donata Sionikas. I worked with NG Media now for about 3 or 4 months and results don't lie. I tested 3 different agencies, but when I started working with NG Media, I saw that their approach is totally different. We managed to get our leads at about €9 and none of other agencies managed to provide me better cost of acquiring leads. We actually did our numbers and I said, hey, if I could get qualified call with the prospect up to €50 per call when I have a chance to sell, if I could get down that cost to €50, that would be a good result for me. With NG Media, our cost was €34. It's even better than I expected. They are crushing it. They do what they do and they know how to do that. Offer creation, how to launch Facebook ads, how to craft your funnel messaging, and how to do actual sales. I'm happy with their service. I trust in what they do and I like how they create value for customers. If you are looking for someone who could help you actually nail your numbers, help you to proceed with achieving these numbers, NG Media is really good fit.
I'm Indra and I'm the recharge therapist working with the people who have burnout or stress-related trauma. And I'm working with NG Media about, let's say, maybe 2 to 2.5 months. And it was the best of the best start in my life, in my business life, I would say so. You know, I have got a lot of another course and I have co-worked with another companies who help the coaches or who help the therapist to develop their business. But it not worked, you know, it worked at some level, but now I quit my job, I stand on my own feet and hello, it was been 2.5 months. I had my own team who helped me to develop my product, who helped me to reach out to the customers, and I'm so grateful. So NG Media, I love you. I hope we will work together a lot of months and years. So all my love to you. Have a beautiful day. And if you want to start your business and you want to succeed, come and work with NG Media, but you need to understand that you will do a lot of work, but if you will do that.
What were some of the key things that we helped you with or you got from our help?
The first thing we actually revisited, rewriting the ads. What was like amazing to me, like was the first be scaling call. And you were like, you know, put this sentence, put this sentence, put this one, put this one. And I was like, yeah, this is, you know, things popping in, ideas coming out. Yeah, this is like, I would myself click this ad. From there, it like went on. I'm still at the level before actually scaling, but the numbers are fantastic.
And how much are you making right now with the coaching business?
January and mid-December, it was something around 150k in PLN, which was around 40k in euro.
They have given us these three things. First, a predictable system how to generate revenue and get new clients. You can know a lot about marketing, but you still need to see and know the big picture to make results, to get results and make things happen. NJ has given us that, and I really love the energy, the empowering and results-oriented energy behind this whole program. Second thing that we got is accountability. I really love done with you approach. In my opinion, for most businesses, done for you is going to be too expensive, and do it yourself, it lacks important aspects like accountability, community. We have a one-on-one success manager, weekly calls with her, as well as many weekly Q&As with Jansons himself and other experts from his team. This has helped us a lot to just keep the ball rolling, you know, guys. And then thirdly, what we got was a lot of tools, like game-changing tools, templates, ads, an offer, sales scripts, metrics, sheets. This has been so important for us. We have even been able to improve email marketing and organic media as well.